Hey Canaries, how are you? For the video today, I just want to take a look inside of my my office or my workplace. So there where I start to log in, and that's the place when I watch the games. We talking about the games and the work. When we was in a break area. In a break moment, we can talking about how the job can be better, how we can log it better. So it will be kind of a simple thing, a simple video, but maybe I put more things during this video to make this vlog better and with more content for you. So this will be a short one. I think this will be the second worst one. I do not like the first vlog that I made, but it was a kind of test event of vlogs by myself. So well, people are thinking I'm crazy and talking with myself on the Olympic Park, but okay, that's fine for me. Anyway. I meet a Birmingham fan here. A Birmingham fan. No, I mean was a Aston Villa fan that lives in Birmingham. So the same city, and I just make a little bit of confusion when I was talking it up for you. So we talking about championship. He was surprised about I'm being an orange fan. But that was cool because I can talk about my history with the club. So I say then to him, I said to him about the World Cup when I was interviewed by ESN Daily Press, my interview for the club, when I start everything on the blog in 2009. So it was good. I show him my photo on the journal, on the newspaper. I keep forgetting the correct is newspaper, not journal, because in Brazil we call it newspaper journal. I know you have the same word, but the normal is use newspaper. But anyway, I'm rambling now. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So that's it for my vlog today. On the ball city, never mind the danger. Come on, yellows, this is your Olympic Canary. Bye.